Hey product managers and startup enthusiasts. In a previous video, we have discussed on major reasons for product failure. One of the major reasons being a lack of a valid business model for your product. It's important to have a valid business model as it serves as a scorecard throughout the product roadmap journey. Let's take an example of a LinkedIn. We can create an account for free, establish connection, increase the network for free. Whenever we update to a premium account, we need to make a payment to a LinkedIn. That's how a LinkedIn makes money through a B2C segment. Whenever any company or firm would like to advertise their products or services on a LinkedIn, they need to make a payment to a LinkedIn. That's how LinkedIn makes money through a B2B segment. Whenever a recruiter or a firm would like to post a job vacancy on LinkedIn, they need to make a payment to the LinkedIn. These are the various channels through which LinkedIn makes money. It also makes money through an acquired product like SlideShare. Then there is LinkedIn Learning. So overall, LinkedIn has a freemium type of a valid business model. Stay tuned for more videos related to the business model of different products. Thank you.